Here we read, "You and your friends are playing a game. The game uses the spinner below. Suppose you are getting ready to spin the arrow on this spinner. Question: on which color is your arrow most likely to land? Red, blue, or green?" The key part to this problem is really the question. So let's go ahead and highlight the entire question. On which color is your arrow most likely to land? Well, let's do the following. Let's go ahead and take a look at the spinner. We've got red here and here. I'm going to actually color this in red, and that looks like it's about a fourth of the spinner. So that's roughly a fourth of the whole area. And similarly here we've got another piece that's red, and that's about a fourth. So a fourth and a fourth is a half. So you have a half of the area of this spinner is red. Now let's go look for another color. Here's blue. Now blue here is more than a quarter, but I think you'll agree that it's less than half. So it's more than a quarter, but it's less than a half. Well, let's go further. Let's look at green over here. And that, I think you'll agree, is less than a quarter. Well, then if you're going to spin the spinner and about half of the spinner is red, then hopefully it makes sense to you that the most likely color that the spinner will land on is red. It's either going to land up in this area or in this area most of the time. I shouldn't say most of the time, but it's most likely if you just spin the spinner once, twice, three times, it's most likely to land in here. So red, A, is the correct answer.